Hi guys, this is Coach Green Gene back at you, and I just wanted to welcome you back to another introductory video as it relates to the 3H intro into Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. And what we'd like to talk about at this particular time is working with a battery operated drill. But before we do, I want to remind all of you participants that working with tools can be very dangerous if you don't understand the actual tool and its capabilities. Also, when you're working with tools and you're trying to familiarize yourself with that tool, make sure that you're working under the supervision of an adult or mentor to assist you so that you won't cause harm to yourself or others. So, the battery operated drill. We will be working with the battery operated drill during the workshop, and so there are a couple of items that I'd like to point out with you. First, remember that during the workshop session, we want you guys to have fun, but you have to pay attention and follow instructions. So we don't want anyone getting hurt, so there is absolutely no playing during the particular exercises. We will have fun, we will enjoy ourselves, but at the expense of not getting anyone hurt, we want to make sure that we're paying close attention to all the instructions. So with the battery operated drill, there are going to be times when we have to change the actual bit. So right now we have a sleeve around a Phillips bit, so that if we're trying to operate and screw in a screw with a Phillips head, we just press the trigger. This is the trigger button. Okay. Before I get into changing the actual bit, the other part of this particular drill, they have a reverse or a forward mode, and those are the trigger button or the buttons on the side of the drill right here. So if you press in on the right side of the drill turns clockwise to screw in the actual screw or to drill. If you press on the opposite side, the same side, it makes the drill go counterclockwise or reverse. This is to bag out the screw or to take the drill bit out, right? There are other couple of knobs or features on the particular DeWalt battery operated drill that I'm holding in front of you. It's the actual turn knob here right on the other side of the chuck. It has numbers 1 through 15. This right here operates the actual torque of the drill. So whether you're trying to screw in a screw at a light fixture or a receptacle, or you're trying to drill through wood, you actually want to turn up the torque to actually make it through the piece of material that you're drilling through. And last but not least, on the top, you have a speed of the drill. You have a number 1 or number 2. It actually directs the speed of the drill. Okay.